Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to remove eye wrinkles. Wrinkles under the eyes, how to smooth your eyes, how to get rid of puffiness, how to get rid of eye bags. It's really good, and to make it you will need some products that you can find at home. Carrots are very useful for under-eye wrinkles and skin care. Below I will explain the clear and reliable benefits. Carrots beta-carotene, source of vitamin A, renews skin cells, gradually smooths fine lines, makes the skin under the eyes smoother, supports collagen production, increases skin elasticity, reduces sagging under the eyes, makes the skin look tighter, powerful antioxidant, protects against free radicals, slows down premature aging, reduces signs of fatigue around the eyes, improves skin tone, reduces dark circles under the eyes, skin looks brighter and healthier, helps retain moisture, reduces wrinkles caused by dryness, the skin under the eyes becomes soft. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. For this recipe, we will also need Vaseline. You can use any Vaseline. Vaseline helps to get rid of eye wrinkles. Vaseline, petroleum jelly, is very useful for wrinkles around the eyes, especially those caused by dryness. Vaseline deeply moisturizes locks. Moisture in the skin smooths fine lines caused by dryness, makes the skin under the eyes soft and smooth, temporarily smooths wrinkles, smooths the surface of the skin, making wrinkles less visible, works well under makeup, strengthens the skin barrier, protects against cold, wind, dry air, accelerates skin regeneration, suitable for sensitive skin, less likely to cause allergies, safe for delicate skin, like the eye area. 5 does not white, but gives a healthy glow, evens out skin tone, visually reduces under-eye puffiness. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. So this is a tool, and to use this you apply it under your eyes to get rid of wrinkles. You massage it under your eyes to get rid of puffiness. Under eye bags, get rid of wrinkles. Just take a little bit and then massage it. You have to close your eyes to soften your eyes. You have to take time to massage these under your eyes. Dear friends, if you liked the video, please like it. Thank you. This mask is good for both sensitive skin and normal skin. Massage any area where there are wrinkles on the skin. If you have wrinkles on your forehead, you can use this on your forehead. If you also have deep wrinkles on your mouth, you should take your time to massage this. Then, you just keep massaging under your eyes to get rid of eye bags and eye wrinkles. So my friend, after 2 minutes of massage, you wash it off with water.